guy who motivated to me. Good morning all. So after a long time we are having a breakfast ride. So first I need to reach the meeting point. The engine is adequately heated up, but tires aren't. Today the breakfast ride, the destination is Varkala cliff to be exact. So the rest I will let you know on the way. So we got the 3 triples in front. So there's one more guy will be joining 2-3 kilometers away. He'll join us. So as I said, today's ride is towards Varkala. So about Varkala, it is around 40 to 45 kilometers away from Trivandrum, from my place, and believe it or not, it is the second most top listed cliff in the world. Yes, I said it right. It is the second most top listed cliff in the world. And to say more about Varkala, it is personally special to me as I met my life partner there. She is from Varkala, so it is special to me. And as I said, today is breakfast ride, and the fun part is there is no breakfast in the breakfast ride. So to be on the safer side, we are not taking any breakfast, so we are just going there, relax, take some pictures, chat with buddies, and then the way back. So that's the plan for today. Hope everything goes well. Thankfully the weather is clear. Until yesterday night it was raining. Luckily everything is clear today morning, so it's all good. So to talk about my buddies in the front and the back, bear with me, I'll be not talking in case I need to focus on the ride, so bear with me. Yeah, so the one in the front, that is Anand, that is a 3 triple S, and right behind him is Mr. J. Mohan. He owns Street Triple RS, and myself Shiva. owns the Street Triple S, and the one behind me is JK, our group admin, also owns a Triple S. So in few minutes we can enjoy the inline 3 Symphony. To quote, this is first time I'm vlogging, so there would be mistakes, please bear with me. I'm learning, trial and learning, so never mind. So this is the spot we said, yeah, that is the guy will be joining us from here. That is Bala, owns 675. So this is the first time we are riding with him, as well as the J-mount. It is always good to ride in the morning since we have less traffic and we can ride relaxed or push a little bit. But I don't know why a group decided to ride slow and steady. Oh, anyway, it's all good. To be on safer side, it's all good. Oh, it's fun. It is always fun. Oh, that's a mistake. Oh, Street Triple RS looks good in white. So I got my tank bag, so it's nothing but I got my DSLR as well as my rain pants just in case. Hopefully we can get some good shots in Varkala cliff and some video vlog. It is always tricky when the traffic in front of you doesn't use the lane change indicators. It is always difficult to judge what he is planning to. I must say this Royal Enfield really sounds good. Yeah, that's the Interceptor 650. It really sounds good. Another issue riding in the morning is people, they get granted in the morning to drive on the wrong side. Oh, he scared me. So people take it granted to ride on the wrong side of the road, so we have to be very careful. We are about to reach Kallambaram, so from this junction we'll be taking left to Varkala, and there is some curves which is really enjoying. Okay. He's in the back. This road is fun, but the risk is we have stray dogs all over the place. They just jump in from nowhere, so I have to be very cautious on that. So I'm right behind Anand. So to be more specific, this is the guy who motivated me to get this bike. I'm enjoying it. I must say this street triple is really good at corners. I mean, it offers a lot of confidence. I'm no expert here, so even I'm learning about this bike, but you know, when you try to make a lane on a corner on the right gear and speed, it definitely gives you the I'm sorry. So it definitely gives you the confidence, and I just love it. Oh man, I just love this machine. One thing I'm very much worried in these corners, they're absolutely enjoyable, but I don't know when someone just come on the wrong side. So that's what scares me a lot. Because I had a very bad experience previously, so I'm very cautious about it. We cannot trust and take that corner. See, that's what I'm talking about. are about to reach cliff. I believe it's around 1 kilometer away. Oh my god, these dogs. Okay, there it is. Woo! Wow. Wow. So, nice morning. That's the lineup. We have ours, 765, 675, 765, 765, and the Interceptor. I'm doing it. Yep. We had our coffee and then took some wonderful shots, and then let's see. So that's my bike. That's the setup I have. It's a magnetic tank bag which can hold my DSLR, water bottle, and then rain cover. That's it. That's my baby. So we are returning back home. We had coffee. J Mohan bro always scares me the hell out of. That is absolutely unnecessary. But yeah, bear with me. Oh man, this thing pulls, keep on. Every time I rev, I go nuts on it. So we are back on Kalamble Junction. So from here, have to take right. Okay, let me wait for the others to join. Yep. Okay. 2 2 more guys to come up. Yep, there they are. Off we go to our homes.